evening, Philippines. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. And before I start off, let me see if I can find my disclaimer here. And if I can't, hold on a minute. Okay, there we are. So anyways, here's my disclaimer. Any comments made in this recorded webinar should not be considered as trading advice, nor should it be considered as in order to enter trades. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Once again, I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, market has been going wild again as usual, but that's how we make money. A lot of volatility. You just have to adjust to the volatility. So anyways, here's the market. I'm already up 24 points. I've done several trades already. And I'm just trying to get used to the swing trading of this micro ES. It's once you get to know where the points are, it gets pretty easy. I'm just really learning again once again. So I've been really not as consistent as I want to be on my Top Step Trader trading combine. So I'm adjusting as it goes, put it that way. But I'm still in the game in terms of trying to get funding of $10,000. I'm trying to prove to you that you can get funded with this new micro ES instrument. Okay, so with that said, nothing new in the news front. I think in the news front or economic reports. In fact, let me look at this. Well, we're gonna reach it there. Hit that. Most likely, this is gonna go all the way up to. Nope, don't want to go that far. But I'll be happy where we hit. So, anyways, economic reports. This is what it looks like. You can find it. Here we are. Trump spoke earlier this morning here in the Philippines. It was 12:05 a.m. I don't know what he said. Durable goods, that's coming out. He already did. All these came out, so really nothing new, unless something else develops, or like Trump tweeting or something. We'll see. So other than that, nothing to look at there. Now with a naked chart, get this over here. This is what we're looking at. With a big rundown here, and I was expected since it was already overbought. We already passed the 2 deviation of the VWAP, and now most likely once it does that, on all likelihood, it will try to get down to the -2 deviation. But it went to the -1, which is fine. So now we're going back up here again, as you can see. So the best trades are usually here at the VWAP. So now, since we're above the VWAP, we're looking for nice long entries or buy entries, right? So we'll see if this hits this. We'll look for a reversal, come back down to here. And we'll see if we have an entry coming here to go back up again, or if we have an entry here coming back down to the VWAP. Again, we'll look for that. That's the only short that I would take once I know there's a possibility of going down to this level, the +1 deviation or the VWAP. Okay. So as usual, we're going up and down here. If you take a look at this in terms of let me see. See, it's overextended. It's already retraced now. So what you can do is basically look at this going up. Basically, maybe around right there. I hit this right here, right? So we're probably going up here. Okay. So let me put this away. Let me put it over here. So that's what we're looking at up to here. I already have it. Let me extend this further out. Should move this as maybe anchor should be at least black. I can't see the thing. So now this is where we're looking at to go. There we go. Right up to here. Yeah, I don't think it's going to get past to here. It's probably get to here. So we'll see. As you can see, strong momentum to the upside. And it's getting ready to basically make a reversal. As you can see now, the yellow line, which my students know what that is overextending itself. So I'll put this in mute. We'll see if we can get a good swing trade going on. At least maybe make 100 right now. I'm already up. I think I'm up 58. Yeah. Up 58. Looking to do maybe another, if I can do another 200, I'd be happy. So I'll put this in mute and I will talk to you guys later. like I said, that my plan was to trade from up here, and it was gonna. If I had a signal here, which I did, we have strong momentum on the downside. My target then was easily made down here, down to the VWAP. Good trade there. In fact, I'm done for the day. That was it. That's my swing trade. I don't want to risk anymore or overtrade like I've been doing. And so we're looking at the here. Let's look at this again. At the map. Like I said, once I hit there, most likely it's going to come down, which it did. I just had to find my entry, which I did, and I had to make sure it was not going to stop there. Once I saw the momentum, strong momentum to the downside, I continued and eventually made my take profit here on the VWAP. Now it looks like it's going to go from here. It's going to come back down here. We'll see. Like I said, it all depends on what they're trying to do here. Make him come down here, or come down to the low here again and come back up. But like I said, my goal was to make at least 200 today, and which I did. It's giving more beating. I made around 240. 240 gross. It's around 230 net. That's what it is. Here, I'll show it to you right here. Now I took more than. Now if you look at this, if I did this new. Where am I here? Trade performance. So I can show. I had more than, how many trades did I take here? 240, 410. Today's the 25th, right? There we are. So here's my summary in terms of my trades. So 50% win rate, but my reward to risk ratio is 2.22, which is good. I'd like to keep it at maybe 1 to 2, around 2.0 and above. Because you can either, when you have a ratio of 2 to 1, if you have a win rate of less than 50%, you'll still be profitable. So again, here are my trades. I had a total of, I believe, 8 trades, right? You can see my first 3 losses, negative 142. Then I started making it up, and there it was, up to 240. That's gross. So the net is 230.40, which I'll live with that. Okay, so I'm getting used to trading this swing trade on NAS, on the micro E-mini ES, which is the S&P 500. I just have to get used to it. So we'll see what's going to happen here. So tomorrow is Thursday. I'll do the same thing. Talk to you guys tomorrow. You guys in the Philippines here, do not live in fear. Just focus on him all the time. He knows what he's doing. He's in control. No man is ever in control. He is the only one who's in control. Okay? So with that said, enjoy the rest of your evening. Hopefully you guys are profitable. With this high volatility, you can easily make money. Just scale down on your contracts. I'm only trading one contract. And with like I said, with the high margins right now that's required, you can only afford to do one contract. So that said, talk to you guys tomorrow, and God bless. Bye-bye.